My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Safemoon coin, and a lot of people ask me a question that what is the next target of Safemoon coin, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Safemoon coin? Is it the best time to buy, is it the best time to sell, and is it the best time to hold Safemoon coin? So in this video I will give you answer of these questions. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Safemoon coin, friends. So first of all, we look the last 1 hour price prediction. After that, we look the last 1 day price prediction, and after that we decide what's going next in a Safemoon coin and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Safemoon coin. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction is absolutely a very bad going now. The change is a negative 3.21%, and the high price has a $0.000008 USD dollar. If you look the chart, so the chart is a neutral. They are goes down in the one like a straight line. They are goes parallel at this time, friends. Now let's check it out, the last 1 day price prediction. After that we decide that what's going next, and a Safemoon coin, what's the next target of Safemoon coin, friends, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Safemoon coin. So if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. That is very important for you. Please trust me, that is very important for you. I will update you every hour, which is very necessary for you. You are a crypto holders, and I will give you a cryptocurrencies latest news and updates. So please subscribe now. Now friends, if we look the last 1 hour price prediction, absolutely I like this kind of coins which are moving upward only and only. I like this kind of one. Which kind of cryptocurrencies you like? Please share in the comment box. If we look, friends, the average change occur in the Safemoon coins positive 2.84%, good change occur, and the price is the same like that, 0008. What's your opinion about Safemoon coin price? Is they move when they hit a $1? Please share in the comment box when they hit a $1 Safemoon coin. So what's the next target of the Safemoon coin? As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction tells us that continuously period of Safemoon coin starts now, and it is the exploding period of the Safemoon coin. If we look the currently changes of the Safemoon coin, so the explosion occur in the Safemoon coin. As I told you, now it's a jumping time, and now as I showed you the last 1 hour price prediction, they go in a parallel, and my suggestion that they goes upward at this period. So maybe they goes upward in the future. We can't say about there's any future of any cryptocurrencies, but maybe they goes upward at this period. There is a more chances to they take a jump. We can't say about, but there is a more chances to the Safemoon coin take a jump. So if you are a holders, my suggestion for you to please hold Safemoon coin, because the average change okay in the Safemoon coin is in positive, so you are in a profit. So please hold your Safemoon coin with the last of this month. Wait for a high explosion that will make you millionaire in this April month. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.